Hi there, Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that everybody gets free when they do a home inspection with Home Inspection Carolina. They get the Ultimate Home Book. I've often said that your car comes with an instruction manual, your oven comes with an instruction manual, your iPhone comes with an instruction manual, but your house actually doesn't come with an instruction manual. I mean, you got manuals for certain components of your house, but wouldn't it be great if there was an owner's manual for your house? So that's what we attempted to achieve in the Ultimate House Book. So everybody who gets a home inspection with Home Inspection Carolina gets one of these. Normally, now it's going to come as a digital book after you do the inspection. But what's great about this is all the maintenance items. It's about a 100-page book. It's a really easy read if you wanted to read it, cover to cover. But also you can it's basically broken up into sections and maintenance needed for each one of those sections. So chapter 1, you got plumbing. Chapter 2 is HVAC, which is heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. Chapter 3 is electrical appliance maintenance. 4 is roof repair, replacement, and maintenance. Exteriors, 5. Ceilings, floors, and wall maintenance is 6. Chapter 7 is building exterior maintenance. Chapter 8 is about doors and window maintenance tips. 9 is home safety and security and maintenance. And then 10 is just other homeowners resources. So if you get a home inspection with Home Inspection Carolina, you get a free Ultimate House Book, and it's meant to be kind of like an owner's manual for your house. This is Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina. Thanks for watching.